Hi you guys, welcome back to Brittany, Olivia, and in today's video we are going to be doing what I eat in a day as a vegan while being quarantined. I actually have time to cook, unlike running out the house with something in my hand. So this is not a tutorial. I'm not showing you how to do it. This is just letting y'all know what I eat in a day as a vegan. So first we're going to start off with waffles, my favorite. I only normally have time to make waffles on the weekend. So you guys, out of all the meals that I will be having today, if y'all want me to give y'all a recipe, do a video on it, let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload my next video, you guys. So let's jump right into it. Okay guys, so my breakfast is done. As you've seen, I forgot to tear up my waffles before I put syrup on them. I gotta get a knife. Okay guys, so as you can see, my breakfast is done. As you can see, I use my small waffle maker. You guys, I do have a larger waffle maker, but I like the small one because my waffles are more fluffy. Ugh. I normally rip up my waffles before I eat them, before I put syrup on them. I hate trying to cut them up. I like to just rip them up with my hand. I know I just put a lot of syrup on it, but I love syrup, so can't use a lot of this though. It's expensive, very expensive. On that one waffle cup. Okay you guys, this is my breakfast. I only had like 10 blueberries left, you guys. I only have like 5 on my plate. It's like kind of sad. It's so good, you guys. But that was my breakfast. So I'll see you guys at lunch, okay? Hey you guys, I'm back. So now, yes, it's lunchtime. I was gonna do a grilled cheese, but no, grilled cheese is more like a snack. So today I'm just gonna do a quick fajita, you guys. So I have my peppers already pre-chopped. I hate cutting the onions, so it's not chopped up yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook that. Throw everything in my tortilla. And I have my favorite, this Willie's, I guess is one of their fresh salsa, and it's like really spicy. So I have this, and then my peppers. I'm gonna go ahead and cook my peppers and onions together, get my lettuce and my black beans and everything, and I'll be back when I'm done, you guys. It's time to eat. Okay you guys, I am done whipping everything together, and please, again, if you want me to do a video or a recipe on any of the meals that I did today, please let me know and I will. I might just do it anyway. So you guys, this is my plate. I don't want to fall. So I got the Willie salsa, I got some lettuce, I got onions, got my onions and my peppers, got red and green peppers, I got brown rice. Yellow rice is even better, you guys. I got my black beans, and I got my chips for my salsa, and my salsa is also for my fajita. Don't got no tomatoes in the house, so I'm pretty sure it's still gonna taste good, y'all. So And this can be about maybe 2 or 3 fajitas. Y'all, it might look like dinner to some of y'all, but this is lunch. Okay? Okay? So okay, you guys, this is my fajita that I just put together. Okay, forgot we gotta eat appetizer first. Okay, duh, chips and salsa. That'll be the free stuff when you go to the Mexican restaurant. Okay. I tell you, this salsa is so good. That's spicy. If you like spicy, this is it. Willie's salsa. It's like in hot red and black container. You saw it in the beginning. Y'all, I'm not gonna even show y'all how I wrap these things. I can't wrap it all. So there it is. There it is. So it's gonna bite into this side because this part is closed, but there will be juice like coming out from the peppers and onions. That just be so good. Okay, guys, it's time to eat lunch. It's time to eat. Now, this is so fast and easy to make. I mean, easy. I got food stuck in my teeth. So fast and easy. An easy family dinner. Easy single dinner. Voila. So y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed the lunch portion. I'm about to down about 2 more, well, maybe 2. 1 more after this. 1 more after this, you guys. So I'll see y'all at dinner time, okay? Bye. Hi, you guys. I'm back, and now I am finna do dinner. So what I'm gonna have for dinner, I have zucchini, squash, peppers, green and red peppers, and I'm also gonna chop up some onions. I'm gonna roast that in the oven, put on some brown rice as well, you guys. And also, I'm gonna fry up some fried green tomatoes. That's what I'm gonna do for dinner. Once again, if you see anything in my video that you want me to do a recipe on or another video on, let me know, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back, you guys. I have my brown rice, peppers, onions, zucchini, and squash. I got my fried green tomatoes. And I decided to cook some roasted potatoes, y'all. So now it's time to eat. Fried green tomato, y'all. Yeah, I gotta go. I gotta eat.